Hey friends, hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Band token. As we have already discussed that this token has surged more than 9,000%. And first this token formed this bullish bat pattern, and after that this token formed another bullish shark pattern. This was another harmonic move. And we have already discussed whenever any coin, at least up to daily chart, starts forming different harmonic moves with the continuity. So this is a clear indication that it can be explored very soon. And we have seen that this coin has surged more than 9,000%. And if we watch, for the example, I just gave you this example in the previous video as well, that the Bitcoin also started forming the different harmonic moves on the daily chart. And finally, it was forming a bullish cipher pattern that I just published this chart on the 12th of July, when I just predicted that as per Fibonacci sequence of the bullish cipher pattern, it will be moved up from here from 0.618 to 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level. So this was the potential reversal zone, and I'm just playing this chart, and you can see that it has spiked even beyond $12,000. Now, if we watch my previous article that I have shared with you, the Band token was forming a symmetrical triangle on the 4-hour chart, and there is also a bull flag that is still there on the daily chart. But if we play this chart, that the 4-hour on the short time period 4-hour chart, this triangle has been broken down. You can see that the price action has just broken down the support of this triangle. But if we move back to the daily chart again, and this is the daily chart, then bull flag is still there, and the price action is still moving in this bull flag. And almost with the continuity, the Band token is forming the different bull flags. For example, this was the previous bull flag. You can see this was the previous bull flag, and before that it also formed another bull flag. This was also another bull flag. And after this bull flag, the price action formed this head and shoulder pattern and formed the next bull flag here. And here we are expecting that it will be another bull flag like the previous one. And it is really very good gesture that the price action is showing that it moved down. Even this 25 simple moving average also moved up to provide the support to the price action. And after using this support, the price action is likely to move up. And the price action of Band token already has been doing this before in the past. We can see here the price action also used this 25 simple moving average as a support. And before that, when I posted my previous video, at that time there was a big gap between the 25 simple moving average and this the price action of Band token. And I told you that without the support of the moving averages, it is difficult for the price line of any asset to continue the uptrend or bullish rally. So we can expect maybe the price action will be started moving up from here, and it will be the starting of the next bullish rally like it did here. The price action moved up from here. At that time there was a big gap between the moving averages and the price action. Then the price action moved a little bit down within this bull flag, and this 25 simple moving average and other moving averages as well moved up and provided the support to the price action. And after using this 25 simple moving average as support, the price action moved up to this new bull flag. And here we have already seen in my previous video that there was a big gap between the 25 and other moving averages and the price action. And the price action moved down, and this 25 simple moving average moved a little bit more up. And after that, the price action is likely to move up after using this 25 simple moving average as a support. Now there are two more developments. For example, if I place this MACD indicator and the stochastic oscillator and this momentum indicator as well, then we can see that it was very strong bearish on the daily chart, this MACD indicator, and now it is turning weak bearish. So this is the indication that it is turning bullish. And here we have also received this bull cross by the stochastic indicator. Let me tell you, for the people who don't know, that whenever this blue line crosses up this red line in this stochastic indicator, that is called the bull cross, and this is the bullish signal. It means that the price action can move up from here. But if we watch this momentum indicator, then so far the momentum is not turning bullish. It is still strong bearish. You can see that it is in dark red. So we can wait for this momentum indicator to turn weak bearish, at least from the strong bearish, as it is strong bearish at this time. And after that, we can have the confirmation that maybe the price action will start the next bullish rally from here. And the next development is that the price action now on the small time period on the 4-hour chart, after breaking down this bull flag, this triangle, now finally the price action is moving in a down channel. It has changed its movement from the pennant or triangle to this down channel, and after hitting at this resistance of the triangle, recently you can see today it has hit at this resistance of the triangle, is likely to move down. Maybe it will be moved more down up to the support once again, and after that it will again try to break out this resistance of the channel. For the next bullish rally, it is very important for the price line to break out this resistance of the channel. So once the price action will break out this resistance, after that it will be confirmed that the price action can start the next bullish rally. So next few hours are very important. We should keep an eye on the price action within this down channel that has been formed on the 4-hour chart, and also on these indicators as well. If you have your own set of indicators you can use, this is very important to keep an eye at this time for next few hours, whether the price action of BAND token will break out this resistance of the channel or break down this support. So next few hours are really very important. I'll definitely post another update when I'll have more developments by the price action of BAND token. So this was the update on BAND token. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like, do subscribe to the channel as well. Take care. Goodbye.